Hey folks, over the past couple weeks we had 6 visitors come all the way from Ireland to tour our plant. First off, we're always grateful when someone takes the time out of their schedule to come and see us. But what was really unique about these folks was how they approached the tour. As we walked the factory floor, I realized they were doing 3 things at a really high level. First, they weren't just looking at what we were doing, they kept questioning and probing into the thinking behind it. For example, why did we move something the way we had and what was it like before? Second, each person had a laser focus on the operator experience. They were constantly asking, is this easy? Is it clear? Does this actually help the person doing the work? And third, if something caught their attention, they didn't just move on. They stayed and watched the process 1, 2, 3 times until they understood what was going on. To be honest, these are the kinds of tours that I liked best. Just walking the floor together, they helped me spot dozens of small improvements that had been sitting right in front of us. In the end, this is just another great reminder that spending time with strong lean operators is a great way to level up your thinking. So if you ever find yourself in South China, be sure to send me a note and come for a visit. Thanks so much.